Hey guys, so we just got done at Sam's Club just picking up a few things. We're gonna get some Starbucks, head to the house. So we're gonna do an empty house tour for you today. I can't tell if there's something on my mom's calling me. Hello. So we're gonna go to the house. Different things. I need to check and make sure that the water is on. It was not on yesterday. And then I need to check the stains that we treated. And I am going to shampoo my bedroom today, the master bedroom at least, and then probably do the playroom and the kids' again. We're going to be converting the very front room into an office space for my husband, putting some drywall up and adding some French doors and painting. So several things that need to happen before we can physically move in, but we're super excited. And yeah, so we'll take you guys with us and we'll show you our house.
You up in the middle of the night. Where have you gone? I'm missing you lately. You're sitting right there, but so far away. Where do we go? Nobody knows. We'll have to see how this story goes. 'Cause I've been looking for forgiveness. I try to be the best I can. I wanna wake you up in the middle of the night. I wanna stay right here for the rest of my life. So I keep on believing the hurting is gone. I know I'm right where I belong. Hey, what about you? Straight from the heart, I'll always be waiting.
You want to show me your playroom? Can you show me your playroom? Hi guys. So this is gonna be the kids' playroom. Whew, I'm out of breath from walking. So we've got the stairs here. We will be gating this. And then this room will be dedicated solely towards them having a playroom. We've got some surprises in store for them for this room. We're really excited. But we'll have to get one, won't we? Laundry room. We need to buy a new washer and dryer. It is kind of messy in here. They did not clean up before they left, so still have lots to do. This is the master bedroom. It's like a really gorgeous layout. I love how it has that little cutout right there. And so we will be having Emmy room with us while she is little. We'll have the crib in here, a rocker, and a changing table. Don't mess with those. No, baby. So we've got these double open doors, which I am going to change. And then this is the master bath. We have a tub, very, very nice sized tub. You guys know I love my baths. So one of my stipulations was we had to have a bathroom that has a shower and a tub separately. And we've got double sinks, dark cabinets. I cleaned up in here yesterday because the mirrors were like really streaky. You guys will find out I'm extremely OCD about things being clean, as far as like, you know, not like kids' toys and whatnot, but like cleanliness and sanitizing things. So, and then we have a little cubby for the potty and a walk-in shower. And I'm really excited. This is, I wish there was more light in here so you guys could see how this comes out. And it's just really neat. I feel like this like tile, fiberglass, whatever this is so much easier to keep clean. And then I'll be putting some push lights up here because I always hate like dark showers. I'll also be replacing the shower head. This is the master closet. So we've got a nice walk-in This is bigger than the one we have. As far as like square footage of the closet, but I also do feel like this will give us so much more space to organize our stuff. Right, Jack? Turn this light off. And then, oh my gosh, my camera's gonna die. This is Jack's room. Nice open with closet. Yeah. And then the girls are gonna share this room. Slightly larger, just by a hair. Also walk-in closet there. Terrible stains I'm not gonna show you. Yeah, so that is a nice little rundown of the house. So that's just a quick rundown. We've not done any cleaning or really very much. So I'm going to work on shampooing the carpets, getting them to my liking, and then once we get everything moved in and I have it all like designed, then I will also give you guys a tour then too, because I just feel like you have to have your stuff in it for it to feel like yours. So thank you guys so much for watching today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.